Alpha Drive 1 Born Dire. Born Dire. Whoa. Based on what I'm looking right here, this is going to be a crazy music video. Be sure to follow the Patreon. It is free to follow. You can subscribe for $1 for more content. Twitch.tv/JREAMERS. We do live stream on Twitch 3 p.m. PST. On Friday, we're doing a subathon. Be sure to join that at 3 p.m. PST on Friday. And yeah, let's get it. Let's go. Damn. Looking like a Mortal Kombat tower. Modern Mortal Kombat. What is that? A spine? What's that? No, I got legs. London. London noise. Gonna die. Whoa. The music production is already crazy. Are they golems? Imps? Are they demons? What is... What else? Hey! The glitch edit. I see. Who's your bias in Alpha Drive 1, y'all? Let me know. Oh, where are we? Not them freaking running in 4 legs. They're running like furries. Are they Legion? Ooh, that was fire. Say it again. Ready to go. Okay. I thought you said radical for a second. Not the running on the wall. Oh my god. Oh, that's trippy. Damn. He grabbed somebody. Oh. That was a crazy shot transition. What the fuck? Hello? Oh. Are there gargoyles? Ooh, dance break? Ooh, with the guitar and everything? I love that. This is probably one of my favorite parts right here. I would like to see that dance break without all the shakiness, just to see how the dance actually is fully. Ooh, I love the outfits too. God damn, he is going in. Ooh, oh. The little... Like, nah. Nice ripple effect. Cool. Shout out to the dancers, bro. And it looked like wings too, no? Like they formed the wings? Dancers? Kinda, right? That's fire, bro. Wow. W production. Holy shit. There we go. There we go. Let me know who's your bias. I mean, I love Leo, bro. Leo's lit. But shout out to everyone that is part of this. This was dope. This is dope. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Again, be sure to join the Patreon. It is free to follow. Also on Patreon, you can subscribe for $1 if you want to access more content. This Friday, we have a twitch.tv/DreGaming subathon. Yes, I'm starting a subathon. It's going to be kind of crazy. See you there on twitch.tv/DreGaming, though. I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.